some of the important clause, okay, which are really useful whenever you are doing SQL. And if you have any doubt over there, you can rectify, you can clear your doubts by seeing these queries. All right, so let us go inside the MySQL, okay, by entering its password. So it will be authenticated well out here. So here, when we will be authenticated, the MySQL prompt will be displayed. Here the MySQL prompt, you can see, you can find out. All right, now you see the list of the databases, okay, can be shown by using the show databases. Okay, this is the very important command in order to see the listing of the databases. Okay, view the listing of the databases out here. So here, from here, any of the table, any of the this thing, any of the database you can choose. All right, so here I am taking one database from here. Say from example, I am taking from student out here. Okay, use student. Okay, use student. On this one we will work. Okay, the spelling is wrong. Okay, student, it will be student. Okay, so database has been changed. Now this message always will be displayed whenever you are selecting a database as your workspace. Fine. So now let us see the what are the tables available. So tables commands definitely has to be given. Okay, so you can see out here, so there are many tables and views are there. So whatever you are seeing out here, that is v1, these are for the views. Okay, if you want to drop the views, you can drop the views. Because just say drop. Okay, okay, drop view. Okay, drop view. Okay, drop view command can be used v1. Okay, so it will be deleted from the listing. Okay, so that is the thing. So query, okay, and 0 row affected. Okay, so that means what, it is just showing us that that particular view has been removed. All right, all right, that is the thing. Now you see out here, what is happening out here. So you will choose this table. Okay, select star from S1, that is the very important command. So that gives us the listing of the records or the tuples or the relationships available in the table. Okay, so select star from S1 will give us this thing. Okay, so that is the total listing. So how many records are there available? It is says over here, that is a 13 records are available out here. All right, that is the thing. So 13 records are available, that means 13 relationships are available. So from here, if I want to remove any columns and all, I can easily remove it. Okay, so there is a difference between alter and drop command. Okay, alter command means that it is actually directly related to the structure of the table, but the drop command actually and drop command is also the similar thing, but the delete command is actually a different one. Delete command is used to remove the record from the table. Say for example, if I want to remove this Ramesh Arias record, then what I will do? Okay, delete from table name. Okay, where condition you have to give, otherwise what will happen, everything will be deleted. Fine. So you have to be very careful whenever you are manipulating manipulating the data by using the deleting, update or insert. Okay, so delete from S1 where sid equals to what, 446. That means what will happen, this record will be deleted from the table. So it has been deleted. Next time when you will do the select star from S1, you will not find it once again. Okay, so it has been deleted. Fine. That is the delete. Now see, if I want to remove this particular phone number, say a description, I am seeing the structure only, a description S1. Fine, that showed me the structure of the table out here. You can see this is the structure of the table. Now you see out here, whenever I will display, I will remove this particular column, say phone. Okay, what I will do, I will do alter table name, alter table S1 drop. Okay, drop what, drop phone. Okay, drop phone means phone is the name of the attribute or column. Okay, or the field. Okay, so this one will be deleted, so it has been deleted. Fine. So now again, how can you confirm it? You can confirm it by using the describe command. That particular field will not be shown out here. Okay, now let us little bit come to the update command. Okay, so how the update command can be used in order to edit a record. Okay, that is the thing. So let us go back to the listing once again of the records. So this is the listing of the records. Okay, now fine, you see out here how I will do the updation on the single field and on the multiple field. All right, now you see this Ramesh Roy. Okay, this one will be a change to say Ramesh Sengupta, and class will be 4. Okay, so first let me change the name to Ramesh Sengupta of having the SID 139. So what will be the command? Update S1 from update S1 set, not from, update S1 set. Okay, name equals to what, Ramesh Sengupta Sengupta, where SID equals to how much? SID equals to 139. We have to choose the, we have to take the primary, we have to take the value which has not been duplicated anywhere out here, so other records will not be affected, fine. So we will take this one out here and then we will go on with it. Okay, that is the thing. So now I have done it. So update S1 set name. So update set is actually the format for using the updation or modifying any record. Okay, now confirm it by doing the listing. Select star from S1. If you do, then you can see that Ramesh Roy has been changed into Ramesh Sengupta. Now see, this Ritesh Roy's class and fees to be changed. Okay, updated, I mean. Okay, so how will you do this? So here is the difference with the alter command and update command. Alter command, what it does, it actually changes the structure of the table. It is actually coming in the category of DDL language, that is called data definition language, fine. But this particular language, this particular thing which we are doing now, that is actually the DML, data manipulation language, the update. Okay, update command. Okay, update S1. Okay, set. Okay, set class equals to say 5. Okay, set class equals to say 5. Okay, comma, fees equals to say 6,000. Fees equals to 6,000. Okay, where, okay, again we will go with the SID. We are changing the record of Ritesh Roy, that is 199, where SID equals to 199. Okay, sorry, 199, fine. So this particular thing will be updated, fine. So now the thing is that error unknown column, because the spelling is wrong, FE double S it's supposed to be, so here you change it, FE FWS, it will be FWS, it's supposed to be, then only the change will take place, because this, it is showing that whenever this kind of things will appear, because when this will be wrong, in that case it will show you unknown column. That means you have made something wrong over here. Okay, so you have misspelled or mistyped the name of the attribute, so you have to check over there. So nature of errors will say us lot of things. Okay, so that is actually one instance you have seen over here. So I have changed the name, now the updation will take place, fine. It has been updated. Now you check by using the select star from S1. Okay, so what it will show you, yes, it has been changed or not. Let us check out. Yes, it has been 5 and fees has become 6,000. That is the thing. Okay, so in this way you have to find out. Okay, you have to do the thing is that you have to update the records and all. Okay, that is the thing. So that is the updation command, updation part. Okay, now see, if I want to display anything, suppose I am inserting a record out here, insert into table name, insert into S1, then I am just entering few values out here, SID and then name. Okay, and then say fees I am entering, and then I am entering DOB. Okay, that is the thing. These four things I am entering. Okay, so now giving the values out here accordingly. SID say 233. Okay, name is say Shukumar. Okay, Shukumar Roy, Shukumar Sen. Okay, then I am giving out here what else I require. Fees is say 6,000. Okay, fees is say 6,000, and say date of birth is 2000 2010 hyphen 09 hyphen 12. Okay, so I'm closing this one. So I've inserted the records, fine. So now the thing is that I'm pressing enter. Here's an error, so it's showing that the name class section insert into table name, fees is there. Okay, and date of birth is there. Insert into S1. Okay, field class does not have a default value. Okay, default value means it is definitely not null, so class has to be given. So the thing is that once you see the structure, then you will understand where the values to be given. Okay, description S1 you do. Okay, you see class is becoming no, that means class will not accept any null value. Okay, that is why the default is saying nothing. Default is saying the class does not have a default value, so class you must give definitely. Okay, otherwise it will not be. Okay, now you go back again to insert into class has to be given, then only it will be accepted. Okay, so name, I'm coming out here to class. Okay, class. Okay, class, and then say I'm going over here Sukumar Sen, I'm going out here, and then I'm giving out here say 5. Okay, and then say comma. Okay, enter. Now it has been accepted. That it proves that if any values, any attribute which is already been stated as null, okay, as not null, you cannot leave it empty. You have to give the value over here, you have to supply the value over there. Okay, that is the thing. So insert into S1, you have given the list of fields and the list of values, then it has been inserted. Now you can go with the listing. okay, of the values that you have entered. You will see some of the places it will be shown you null. Okay, now see, if you want to display the null records, okay, what we will do, okay, this we have done already, but again we are revising it. So what we will do in order to display the null values, let us see. Okay, select, okay, select star from, select star from, not star from s1, okay, okay, where, not star, yes, where uh, age, suppose age address whatever you give, that will be accepted. Age is null. Okay, is null is actually the command, okay, which actually helps us in order to extract the null values from the relationship. Fine, that is the thing. So is null will be the command. So just the null values will be displayed only. So one null value is appearing. Okay, so whatever you give with address, whatever you give with age, doesn't matter. If you are giving with the address, then also, so wherever in the relationship null will appear, that will be displayed. Okay, so I'm giving out here address. Okay, but nowhere else the null value has been appeared. Okay, this is null. Okay, so is null has been given out there. So apart from null, if you want to display, then you have to give here as not null. Okay, is not null will display, okay, the value which are other than null. Okay, that is the thing. Now the thing is that if you want to update that, you can update the null values if you want. Okay, so you can do the multiple updation on the null value. Okay, that is the thing. So you can see it out here. So what is exactly the thing? So Sukumar said we have to update the null value. So you just give update. Okay, s1 set. Okay, what age equals to, say you give 12. Okay, and say comma and address. Okay, address equals to, say you give Chennai out here, and then AI Chennai. Okay, where what is the Sukumar Sen's ID? 230. Okay, 233. I mean, okay, SID equals to 233. Then what will happen? This one you just enter. Okay, but here is some problem has been occurred. Let's see. Update spelling is wrong. Okay, update spelling is wrong, so you have to need to rectify it. Okay, so update, update, g will not be there, misspelled. Okay, that is the thing. So it has been updated. Now you can find out the listing out here. Select star from s1. Or you can find, or you can confirm it by using the query directly, general query directly. Okay, suppose you are giving select. Okay, select star from s1, where if you know the information, where name like, okay, name like, okay, Sukumar Sen. Okay, Sukumar Sen. Okay, Sukumar Sen. Okay, that is the thing. So semicolon, enter. Okay, so it has been said that whatever changes we have made, that has been shown out here. Okay, this is the general query actually. Now you see some of the general query within the range. Okay, so I'm just showing you by using the relational operator first of all. Okay, suppose I select select SID or comma name. I am not displaying all the fields, I am displaying some of the fields only. Suppose SID, and then I'm showing you out here name, and I'm then showing the address, and then showing out here DOB. All right, okay, from S1. Where SID greater than 200, okay, and SID lesser than or equals to 300. Okay, within this range. So I have set a range for the for displaying the record. So SID greater than 200 and lesser than equals to 300. Okay, that is the thing. So here the 200 will not be included, but here 300 will be included. Okay, lesser than or equals to 300. So these are the relational operators actually. Okay, that is the thing. So two such records are there, two such SIDs are there, having is falling within this. Okay, that is between 200 and 300. So similar query can be made out here. Okay, where SID, just a minute, where SID between. Okay, what can I do out here? SID between. Okay, so let us see out here SID, where SID I'll just give between. Okay, between, and I will just remove this greater than and lesser than 200 and 300. Okay, this one will no longer required. Okay, 300. Fine. So between 200 and 300 it has been done. Okay, so select SID name comma address comma DOB, where from S1, where SID between 200 and 300. Now you press enter, you will see that. Okay, so that is the thing. So here the 300 has been included, but here the less than 300. So what is happening? 200 has been inclusive out here, but if I would have given greater than 2 or equals to 200, then the similar result would have been come. So it proves that between always inclusive. Okay, between always inclusive, that means it is acting as greater than or equals. You want to see the things? Let us see. So the similar result can be achievable by using just changing the query into greater than, then only those three things will be appearing. Fine. So one thing is very much clear about that, between always define the range, okay, inclusive in the inclusive manner, okay. So 200, that's why also has been considered, but here 200 has not been considered because it is greater than, means like 201 onwards, okay, like that, okay. So these are the some of the instances where the SQL is functioning in little different manner, okay. So you need to remember this, okay. So now say for example one query, I'm giving you one general query out here. Select, okay, select star from S1, okay, where SID, okay. So can you tell me what is actually the meaning of this one? What does it mean? Okay, SID is not equals to 200, okay. This is actually known as is not equals to 200. That means what? Other than 200 everything will be displayed, okay, not equals to. The similar relationship, relational operator can be used out here. Not equals like this, sorry, not equals like this, okay. SID is not equals to 200, similar result will be displayed, okay. Understood? Okay, okay, that is the thing. So in this way what anything can be achievable, okay. So whenever you like to extract the data in some different manner, okay, that is the thing. So now let us see that I will use the order by over here. Order by is the one that is actually used for what? Order by is used for sorting, ascending and descending order sort, okay. So I want to sort the names, okay, those whose SID is not equals to 200. So other than 200, whatever records are there, I want to sort their names by ascending order data, okay. So what I will do? Order by name. This is the ascending order, okay. So the Amit Banerjee, Atin Kumar, they will come first, and Barun also will come first. So A to Z, okay. So that is the thing. You see out here, it has been sorted in ascending order, okay. So what is the query? Select star from S1 where SID is not equals to 200, order by name, okay. So what does it do? It is actually sorted the records in ascending order, okay, fine, okay. Now you see the descending order, similar thing, just you give the DSC as a keyword, okay. That is the thing. So it will display all the records sorted in descending order of the names, okay. So whichever column you need to that need to be sorted, that name to be mentioned out here just before the order by, okay. So where SID is not equals to 200, order by name description, okay. Now some more instances of the order by I can show you out here. Suppose the Durgapur records, okay, those who are say in Kolkata there are 2 records are available, and Durgapur there are 3 records, okay. Suppose the Durgapur people has to be sorted, okay, with respect to their fees. Those the students, they are paying fees, okay, and their records will be needs to be sorted with respect to their fees, okay. So what I'm doing, I'm just take 3 fields out here. Select SID, I'm taking SID, name, okay, class and fees, okay, class comma fees, okay. Where address, okay, where address like Durgapur, okay, where address like Durgapur, okay, Durgapur, okay. So then what I'm doing, order by fees, okay, fine, order by fees, okay, in ascending order, fine, in ascending order of the fees, fine. So what is the query? You check out here. So just a minute, here something wrong has been occurred. So let's see what is the error. Select SID, name comma class comma fees. I have not given the name of the table, okay. So that is the thing. So where, okay, where, okay, from I have not given, from clause is missing, that's why the problem. From S1, okay, that is mandatory. You have to give always the source table name. So select SID, name, class, fees from S1 where address like Durgapur. Up to here fine. So the records are to be extracted from the places Durgapur, from the place Durgapur, okay. Then order by fees, then the record will be sorted in ascending order of the fees, okay. Now press enter. Now you see it has been sorted in ascending order of their fees, okay. That is the thing. So now if you want to do the descending order, then you give it out here description, okay. So sorry, descending, DESC, fine. So then it has been sorted in descending order of the fees, okay. So in this way what will happen, if you are making the query in this way, you can understand easily that how the different keywords are to be merged with the query in order to improvise it and get a better result, okay. So any kind of data can be extracted at any point of time if you are using your query properly, okay. That is what we are actually trying to do, okay. Actually I'm trying to do out here in order to make you understand that the queries are not to be memorized, okay. Only the format you have to remember. Say for example a simple query, okay. Say for example how it forms, okay. Select a very simple query. Select star from S1 where, okay, age is greater than say 10. What does it do? It will display all the records, okay, everything, all the information of the students whose age is more than 10. Okay, now what is happening? Step by step you come. So it is showing out here all the students, those who are having the age more than 10, it has been displayed. Now see here, if you are doing equals to, then what will happen? Whose age is equals to 10. Okay, now you see out here, it will show you empty set. Maybe no, it has been shown two records as such are there. If no records are there, in that case, if the criteria does not met, in that case query is correct, but the criteria does not met, no such satisfaction have been found, has been found in the table, it will show you empty set. Fine, clear. So what is happening out here? So here the two records at least are possible, okay, over here like this. Okay, that is the thing. So now if you are giving out here say 11, then what will happen? 11, then it will show you few records out here. Now you see how will you use the order by out here. So very important out here. So age equals to 11, what I will do? Order, okay, order by, suppose order by, you are giving out a DSC, then what will happen? With order by, you have to give the name of the attribute, name DSC. Then what will happen? Okay, with respect to this particular thing, name, okay, with respect to name, what will happen? You can see, you can display the records in descending order of the name of the students. Fine, so you can see out here, so descending order of name has been displayed out here. Okay, so in this way, you will be able to display the sorted records. Okay, that is the thing, students. Okay, so this kind of queries you should practice. Very simple queries, start from very simple queries, then you go to the bit complex one. Okay, anyway, whatever is there in your syllabus, that supports only the simple query in SQL. Okay, that is the thing. So these are all the simple query, and step by step while practicing, but for that the practical implementation is required. Okay, so only the theoretical study will not be enough. Okay, that is the thing. So you practice as well as you should implement also, and then you will see the fun. Okay, that is the thing. So students, thank you for today. Okay, be safe. Okay, and utilize MySQL in order to extract the records. Okay, extract the data from the table. Okay, thank you very much.